Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download and install UI Cheats extension mod. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write UI Cheats extension mod here and go to patreon.com. Do not become a member, it really doesn't matter. Just scroll down until you see here attachments. Press download all, save it to your desktop or whatever you like. Then what you need to do here is to extract it, extract all to desktop. Then once you have this extracted file, you can delete the zip one. Then you need to open up File Explorer here, and then you need to go to Documents. Then you need to look for Electronic Arts, then ZIP4. Then here you should see mods folder. If you don't have mods folder, just create one, right click, new, and name it mods. Okay. Then put the UI Cheats extension mod to mods folder here, and it should look like this. And then you need to launch the game. If you basically putting mods for the first time in game, in this main screen here, main menu, you need to press escape. Then you need to go to game options, go to other, and then make sure as you can see here, enable custom content and mods is enabled, and script mods allowed as well. Apply the changes, and then you need to restart the game. So exit the game. And then after you relaunch the game, you should see that UI Cheat extensions scripts is enabled, and then you just need to try in game and it should work for you. So that's pretty much it.